Hi, I want to show you how to register your business on Google My Business. So if you're interested, let's go. Hello and welcome to part 2 of things I've learned from handling different pages as a social media manager. A series where I share real actionable tips and strategies for business owners based off of my experience handling different pages. So in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to register your business on Google. That's Google My Business, right? Let me just quickly share some benefits as to why you need to register your business on Google, right? It helps you get listed. It helps you, I've talked about social search. It helps you when people search for things related to your business. It helps Google to, rank you. It helps Google to show you, right? To bring you out as, one of the people that are into this, selling these products, stuff like that, right? Google will list you as, will bring you out in the search results, basically. But it also helps to when not just registering your business, but also being reviewed. Encourage your customers to drop a review for you on your Google page, right? It helps tell them to give you 5 stars and stuff like that. It helps to rank you. So when people search, your page will be part of maybe like the first 5 pages that they feature, things like that. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you want your business to be shown on Google, not just limiting to the social media platforms, this video is for you. Let's get into the tutorial. So you go to your Google map, right? And then you click on business. Once you click on business, click on add a business profile. You can see that I already have my own business profile. So just click on add a business profile and then you start the process. You start the process of building your business profile. Put in your business name, whatever it is. If you're into skincare, if you're into fashion, clothes, shoes, whatever, then put in your business category. There are lots of categories to choose from. So Google will show you a whole lot. And then put in your location. Guys, this is very, very important. This is the whole reason why you are creating a Google business account in the first place, right? So that people can be able to locate you. So that once they search, oh, maybe shoes near me, your page will pop up, right? So put your location, put everything is very, very important. So make sure that you put every detail, right? Put in your location and everything that you need to know, like that people would need to know about your business, right? So after that, you just confirm if that's your business or not. You answer the questions on screen. You can come back to fill up all of this later, right? So once you do that, you make sure you put your contact details so customers can be able to reach you fast. So once you do that, then you wait for your verification and voila, you now have your business up on Google. Congratulations. After that, you can come back to fill up all of this, the days you are open, add your business description. Make sure you come back to customize your profile like the way you want it to be. Put in, good pictures, put videos, and remember what I said about reviews. Tell your customers to review your page for you so that your page will rank when people search. So once you search for your business on Google, you should be able to pop up just like this. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more and comment below with your business name. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.